to Simba Health. Peanut butter is a delicious, nutritious, and cost-effective snack that can be incorporated into a wide range of recipes. Made from ground roasted peanuts, it possesses a distinctive taste and texture. The highest quality peanut butter consists of only 2 ingredients, roasted peanuts and salt. Vegetarian diets often rely on peanut butter as a source of protein and healthy fats. Additionally, peanut butter offers numerous health benefits, including potential improvements in athletic performance. In this video, we will explore some of the remarkable health benefits associated with this incredible spread. It's important to note that all the information presented here is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Without further ado, let's delve into the 10 benefits of regularly consuming peanut butter. Surprising health benefits of eating peanut butter regularly. Benefits of eating peanut butter regularly. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter is rich in minerals like copper, phosphorus, manganese, potassium, and zinc. It contains niacin, which plays a crucial role in energy production, nerve function, and skin health. Thiamine in peanut butter supports muscle growth and development. It is also a good source of iron, essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. High in protein. A serving of peanut butter contains 7 grams of protein, aiding muscle tissue repair and growth. Regular consumption of peanut butter has been linked to increased muscle mass. High in healthy fats. Peanut butter's healthy fats help reduce cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. It contains unsaturated fats, providing various health benefits. Rich in antioxidants. Peanut butter is a great source of antioxidants, such as resveratrol and quercetin. These antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing the risk of cancer and protecting healthy cells. Low in carbs. Peanut butter is a popular low-carbohydrate snack, making it suitable for weight management. It contains approximately 10 grams of total carbohydrates and 5 grams of fiber per 2 tablespoon serving. Manages blood sugar levels. Peanut butter helps slow down digestion and prevents rapid increases in blood sugar levels. It can be beneficial for people with diabetes, as it helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Aids in weight loss. Peanut butter's high monounsaturated fat content keeps you fuller for longer, aiding weight loss. The fiber in peanut butter helps control appetite and food intake throughout the day. Boosts energy and mood. Peanut butter's effect on blood sugar levels provides an energy boost. It has been linked to lower rates of depression, potentially due to its phenolic antioxidants. Boosts heart health. Peanut butter's unsaturated fats, amino acids, and antioxidants improve heart health. It can lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. May reduce the risk of breast cancer. Peanut butter's antioxidants and phytochemicals may help reduce the risk of breast cancer. A study found that women who consumed peanut butter had a lower risk of breast cancer. Conclusion. Peanut butter, a calorie-dense and nutrient-rich food, is a great source of plant-based protein and essential minerals. It can be enjoyed as a snack, sandwich filling, or used to flavor various recipes. Choosing peanut butter without hydrogenated fats or oils is essential for maximizing health benefits. Regular consumption of peanut butter, when part of a balanced diet, can contribute to overall wellness. Thank you for watching.